Alright, you guys want to try the chicken? Flash, you want the chicken? Oh, you want the chicken? You boys want to try it? We're going to try some raw chicken, and then we're going to go swim in the pool, right? Yeah, sound good? Yeah? Where's Sasha? She's over there. Malachi. Okay. Easy, sit down. So these are raw chickens. We froze them for like 3 days, then put them in the fridge to defrost them. Hi. They're still very cold, so. Oh, you're crying? You want one? Do you want one? Yeah? Here, let's try it. He's taking it in the pool. Chewy, come here. You get one? Chewy got one. Flash, you want one? Oh, yum. Let's see what Malachi's doing in the pool. You burying that chicken? Are you gonna bury it? What are you doing? Is that yummy? Chewy's behind here eating it, behind the crate. Malachi's still trying to bury that chicken in an empty pool. Is that yummy? Sasha wants to go inside. She's over there by the door. Is that a yummy chicken? No, you cannot have this one. You have your own. This one's for Sasha. Sasha! Sash! Come here. Want the chicken? There you go. She's got her chicken now. You gonna eat it? She doesn't know what to do with it. I'll try ripping it up in pieces. You might need it ripped too. She's doing good. Right, Flash? You got the chicken? Oh, it's so yummy. Alright, so Sasha and Malachi don't really like the chicken, but these little guys do. Look at him. So vicious. He's gonna end up eating my fingers instead of the chicken. You're tearing this chicken to pieces. Look, here's food. Oh, you're growling. Alright. Here, let's try to see if Malachi will take it. You want it now? Oh, he didn't take it. Oh, now he has it. I don't think he's gonna eat it though. Just the little ones like the chicken. He's got his here. What are you growling for? I don't have anything, it's just my fingers. Malachi's picking at it a little bit, but he doesn't like it. You got your tie on, Mal? What? Just my hand.